बड'लेण्ड मुलुग सोलोंसालियाव दिनै बेखेवनानै होबाय स्टेट बैंक अफ इन्डियानि मोनसे दालाय। थांनाय गोलाव सिगांनिफ्रायनो बड'लेण्ड मुलुग सोलोंसालियाव साख्रि मावनाय सुबुंफोर, फरायसाफोरजों लोगोसे मुलुग सोलोंसालिनि बायदिसिना रांखान्थि हाबा-हुखानि मावनायाव जेंना नुजाथिनायखौ बिथा खालामनानै दिनै स्टेट बैंक अफ इन्डियानि मोनसे दालायखौ गायसननाय जाबाय। मुलुग सोलोंसालियाव बेखेवनाय स्टेट बैंक अफ इन्डियानि मोनसे दालायनि गेजेरजों साख्रिआवला फरायसाफोरजों लोगोसे सोरगिदिं थानाय रायजो राजाफोराबो खाबु गोनां जागोन। बड'लेण्ड मुलुग सोलोंसालिनि भाइस चेन्सेलर प्रफेसर लाइस्राम लादु सिंह, रेजिस्टार्ड डक्टर सुबुं बसुमतारी आरो गुवाहाटी सार्कल एसबिआइनि चिफ जेनेरेल मेनेजार भिनसेन्ट मेनासेरी देबासिसाबो बेखेवनाय समाव बाहागो लादों। बड'लेण्ड मुलुग सोलोंसालिनि भाइस चेन्सेलर प्रफेसर लाइस्राम लादु सिंहआ बे गोजोन हाबाफारिखौ बेखेवनानै होदों।
Bड'लेण्ड University is opened by the Chief General Manager, Northeastern Region, Guwahati, and this will help the students, employees, and the other academic institutions in and around the Bड'लेण्ड universities, and also the villages and common men from the peripheral villages and also from the far off places. For a long time we were having the need of a bank in the universities for the purpose of students admissions, payment of fees for the examinations, certificates, mark sheets, etc. And with the opening of this branch, our students need not go to the other branches, and they can make use of the facilities in the SBI branch of the Bड'लेण्ड University conveniently. And also the students, staffs, employees, faculties will be not only benefiting from this branch in terms of depositing and withdrawing their money, but also help our employees to use many facilities that are available in the bank, including the life insurance, then the road accident insurance, group insurance, that kind of facilities. And the university is very grateful to the SBI Northeastern Region for agreeing to our request to open a branch in the Bड'लेण्ड University.
As we have now got an opportunity to collaborate with Bड'लेण्ड University. In fact, this branch is the fourth branch in this town, and we have more than 800 branches in the northeastern region, and also more than 22,500 branches across the country. So this goes along the philosophy and the motto of State Bank of India to deliver world-class service at each and every place, each and every nook and corner of the country. This branch will offer all sorts of banking services. This branch will offer all sorts of financial services. This branch will also take care of all insurance and all allied services. This branch will serve primarily the Bड'लेण्ड University students, staff, and the entire users of university. Will also serve the adjoining educational institutions like CIT and also medical college which is coming up. This will also take care of the basic needs, all banking needs and financial needs of the local community here. And we will be an integral part of this community in terms of their economic development. And that is the motto, and that is the purpose of opening this branch. Thank you very much.
थाखो जिसेआव मुं थिसननो हांखुर जानाय फरायसाफोरनि थाखाय मोनसे गोनां फोसावथाय। रौता नर्थ इस्ट पाब्लिक फरायसालिया नोंथांमोननो मोनसे गोजोनथाव खौरां लाबोदों। CBSE जों गनायथि मोननाय रौतानि मुंदांखा नर्थ इस्ट पाब्लिक स्कुलाव दायो थाखो जिसेनि मुं थिसननाया सोलिगासिनो। साइन्स आरो आर्ट्स मोन्नैबो स्ट्रिमनि थाखाय रौतानि नर्थ इस्ट पाब्लिक स्कुलाव मुं थिसननाया सोलिगासिनो। बे फरायसालियाव थाखोनि फराफारि आयदा फोरोंथायजों लोगोसेयैनो JEE, NEET, CUET, इन्जिनियारिं, मेडिकेल एन्ट्रेन्स आनजादनि थाखाय उफ्रा फोरोंथायबो होनाय जायो। बे फरायसालियाव बिजाब बाख्रि, फरायसाफोरनि थाखाय हस्टेल आरो गेलेनाय, मोसानाय बायदि बायदि केरिकुलार एक्टिभिटिसनि सुबिदा दं। गोसो गुदुं फरायसाफोरा दिनैनो दानो नैबे मबाइल नम्बर 8638605769 नङाब्ला 9435184298 आव थोंजों सुलाद लानो हागोन।